Ready to level up your viewing experience and effortlessly stream your favorite content from your phone or tablet to your big screen? Today, we're diving into how to cast content to your Nvidia Shield. This is going to enhance your streaming setup. First, make sure your Nvidia Shield and your casting device, like your phone or tablet, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for casting to work. Next, open the app you want to cast from on your mobile device, whether it's YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, or any other app that supports casting. Look for the cast icon, which usually looks like a rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol in the corner. Tap on that icon to begin the casting process. Once you tap the cast icon, the app will search for available devices on your network that can receive your cast signal. Your Nvidia Shield should appear in the list. Select your Nvidia Shield from the list to begin casting content from your phone or tablet onto your TV. As soon as you select your Nvidia Shield, the content from your mobile device should start playing on your television. You can control playback, such as pausing, playing, or adjusting the volume directly from your mobile device. You can also initiate casting from the control center of your device's operating system, like Android or iOS. Swipe down on your device and look for the cast option. You can also use the Google Home applications on your device that will allow you to control your Nvidia Shield TV. That's it. You're now casting from your phone or other mobile device onto your TV through your Nvidia Shield. Enjoy seamless streaming and be sure to like and subscribe for more streaming tips.